Hell yeah, let me get this. Let me get this. Bro. Oh, whoa, whoa. All right. We got relax. He's in goal V4 and he's on ice. Yo, can we relax? Can we relax? Bro, I've been server hopping for like 15 minutes and this is what I get. What? My Ken broke? What? What? That is so confusing. Alright. And you're dead. Because my combo is broken. Yep. This game is laggy as hell. Holy crap. Yo, where are you going? You're not safe. You're not safe. You're not safe from my build. Yo. Alright, so I'm back in Blox, and Blox is actually updating tomorrow as of right now. Well, for me. Well, actually not right now, but like 2 days. So in 2 days, Blox is actually gonna update. Hooray! Let's freaking go. They're gonna balance a lot of stuff. So I'm super hyped and excited. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna post more PvP content and be more motivated to actually play this game. So yeah. So this video is gonna be rushed. But anyways, these are the stats for this build. Same trinkets. I'm still using Kitsune Ribbon. Also, I'm gonna show you my enchant on my Gravity Blade. So yeah. Alright, so this is the enchant that I have on my Gravity Blade. As you can see, I got Masterpiece. So skills have no energy cost, more damage, less cooldown. I also have Deadly. And then we got Siphon level 2 and Vampiric, which are both really good for hybrid stats, especially with this unique enchantment. Also, one more thing, I'm using Shark Race. It's been a while since I've used it. I haven't used it in decades. So yeah, the V4, the slowness on the V4 actually needs to be nerfed, because these players, while I hit them with 2 Gravity Blade moves, they slow down like so fast. One more thing, I also have the slowness gear tier 2 on this race. So I can just easily just do my combo if I pop V4. So yeah, hope you enjoy, because this video is hella rushed because the update is gonna come in like 2 days. So I'm planning to make a video about what I would fix in Blox. And one more thing, another thing I want to say is I've had Perm Blizzard for like 11 months and they haven't reworked the fruit, which I'm actually happy about, because like this fruit is really underrated and can literally one-shot anyone if you just stun them long enough in the V move, because like the V move is Ken break. So yeah, so basically I haven't used Blizzard in a while, so this is why I wanted to make this video. So yeah, but now for real this time, on to the PvP in this video, and I hope you enjoy, because this video is hella rushed. I'm bored as hell. What are you guys doing? Do I kill them? Do I be nice? Do I be nice? Never. Okay, you're jumping me. That's your fault. All right. Okay. Oh, they jumping me for real. Holy crap. All right. Yo, actually. Okay, someone pop Draco. Whoa. We gotta relax. Okay, bro. He's lagging so hard. Alright. Your build is weird. I mean, meta, whatever. Alright, I'm dead. Bro, he's lagging so hard because of Draco V4. Like, that's the bad thing about that race. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, I get V4, and you're dead. Where are you going? Oh, okay, you almost one-shot me. Alright. Alright. The orbs. Alright. I might be dead. Oh, the slowness. The broken slowness. He's so slowed. Bro, they need to nerf the slowness on this race. Like, oh, I'm dead. No. Okay, Draco vs Shark V4 is actually hella close. Yo. Oh, he's actually about to lose. Okay, and we got this guy jumping in. I'm dead. Oh, never mind. I'm alive. You're next. What are you doing? Oh, the slowness. Oh, he's slow. Oh, bro, the slowness. The slowness is broken. Yo, bro. Bro, I don't have to try. He's so slow. Okay, yo, the slowness is so broken. It's actually crazy. And he's dead. Never mind. And he's dead. Yo, bro, the slowness on this race needs to get nerfed. Whoa, whoa. They're all gonna target me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, we gotta relax. Alright. And you're dead. Never mind. Bro, the slowness on this race is actually so broken. Like, they actually need to nerf that. Bro, I'm getting jumped by everyone. Everybody wants to smoke. You're all dead. And you're dead. Bro, my race is so broken. What we got? What is that? Spirit. Alright. Spirit. Okay, he just knows I just popped fish free. Alright. Alright. I gotta be careful. This guy's literally on spirit. Alright. Alright, my broken combo. You're dead. Yep. This fruit, my build. Yo, my build is low-key broken. Yo. Yo, GG. Oh, he's back. Alright, bet. Yo, I don't think you want this. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think you want this. I don't think. Oh, you lucky I missed. Yo, what are you gonna do? Okay, he's hella scared. I can tell. Okay. What is the plan? Yo, what is the plan? And you're dead? Alright. God Hidden Sea coming out. Yep. Okay. Alright. Into this. My build is broken. Yes, sir. He's about to die. That's not gonna work. Yep. And you're dead. Okay, this is like round 4. Okay, into this. And you're dead.